So now we will see another important segmentation technique, that is nothing but the region-based segmentation. Okay. So in the region-based segmentation, we are basically telling about the region growing, region splitting, and the region merging. Okay. So the edges and thresholding technique sometimes do not give a good result for segmentation. So region-based segmentation is based on a connectivity of the similar pixels. Okay, so till now we have seen about the thresholding and the edge-based segmentation. All those things are based on the dissimilarity between the between the pixels. So here we are seeing about the connectivity of the similar pixels in a region. Okay, so based on that we are dividing the regions. So that is basically the region growing, region splitting, and the region merging. Okay, so now before going to this thing, so I can explain all these methods with the help of an example. So first we will see about the region growing. Okay, so in order to do the region growing, okay, now do the region growing. So I am taking any one image. So that image is so I am taking a 4x4 image. So that is, for an example, I am taking 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 5, 7, 1, 1, 4, 6, 3, 0, 2, 5, 2. So this is the image I am taking. Okay. So in this, so I am taking like I have to find the initial point, or I have to find a seed point. So the initial or the seed point I am taking as what, the 2 cross 2. So the 2 cross 2 is I am taking an initial or seed point. So this 2 cross 2, it is coming over here. So this is my 2 cross 2, right? So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this will be about what? My 2 cross 2 image. So now what I'm going to do, so now my seed point, okay, my seed point, okay, so it is given by what? The 6. Okay, starting from here only now I'm going to grow the regions. So how to grow the region? So the one condition is the absolute difference. Okay, so here I am taking an threshold, or a condition also I am taking the threshold is equal to 2. Okay, I am taking the condition, the threshold, that is also I am assuming the threshold is equal to 2. So in this I am just telling, like the condition, the absolute difference between the neighboring pixels should be less than or equal to 2. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am finding the absolute difference of the 4 connectivity. I am taking only the 4 connectivity. So here I am in this example I am only taking the 4 connectivity with the seed pixel 6, and if it is less than or equal to 2, then I am concluding it as a region. If not, I am not concluding it as a region. So what are my 4 pixels here? 4 neighborhood pixels here. So my 4 neighborhood pixels are nothing but so here, so first I am taking 6 minus 7. So all it is not like first I am taking this pixel, this my 4 neighbors, this is my first 4 neighborhood pixels I am taking. So 6 minus 7. So I am getting like absolute value only I am taking. Okay, so it is coming as 1. So this is satisfying the condition. So next what I am taking, 6 minus 4. Okay, it is coming what? 2. Okay, this is also less than or equal to, it is also satisfying the condition. So next what I am taking, 3, right? So I can take 6 minus 3. So what I am getting, 3. So this is not at all satisfying the condition. Okay, next neighboring pixels. So next neighboring pixels is what? 6 minus 5, right? 6 minus 5. So this is also coming It is what? Satisfying the condition. So now how I can grow the region? So 6 minus 7. Okay, so this is satisfying. Okay, and 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4. Okay, good. This is also satisfying. Okay, and 6 minus 5, this is also satisfying, but 6 minus 3 is not satisfying, right? So I am just omitting it. So what I can do, I have grown the region from 6 to this. So this, all these things. So now in the finally, I can write the whole thing as 0, so 0, 0, 0, 0, and next is again I can write 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, is also 0, 1, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now I can tell this is, I can take as 1, this I can take as, this I can take as one region, and all other thing I can take as what? Another region. So this is what, how we are doing what? The region growing. Okay, so I hope you understood the region growing. This I have done with the 4 cross 4 matrix. This can be done with an 8 cross 8. Okay, this can be done with 16 cross 16. Any type of pixel size we can do it. Okay, so only thing we need is nothing but you have to find a seed point, and also you have to know the threshold in what kind of, in what between, with respect to what threshold you have to do the region growing. Okay, so now we'll see about the region merging. So now we'll see about the region splitting and merging. Okay, so we'll see about the region splitting first. Okay, region splitting. So how to do the region splitting? So in this region splitting, for example, so if I'm doing it with a 2 cross 2 or 4 cross 4 image, so it will be very difficult to show you the region splitting. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm taking a 8 cross 8 pixels. Okay, 8 cross 8 as an example. So I'm going to write this thing. So this I can note down. So I'm going to take 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 7. So next time I'm going to write 6, 6, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay, 0, 0. So the final row is 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 4. Okay, fine. So this is my 8 cross 8 pixels. Okay, so I am taking here the threshold is given as 3 is equal to Okay, so now first what I have to do is nothing but I have to take, so the condition is nothing but the absolute difference, okay, should be less than or equal to 3. So the maximum value, so in this what I have to, in order to find that, first I have to take the maximum value. Okay, so I'm taking the maximum value in this. So what is the maximum value in this? Just given us 7, right? This is the maximum value in this pixel is, in this image is 7, and the minimum value is what? 0. Okay, now what I have to find? I have to find the absolute difference between these two values. So what I'm getting? It is 7. That means what? It is greater than the threshold 3. So then what we can do is nothing but we have to split this into 4 regions. Okay, so we have to split this into 4 regions. So I'm going to split it. Okay, so I'm going to split it because the absolute difference is greater than the threshold. I'm going to split this into 4 equal regions. Okay, so now in this thing I'm going to give this name as what? A, B, C, D. Okay, now I have to check for the region A. So what is the maximum pixel I'm getting here for the region A? The maximum pixel is, so I'm getting as 7. Okay, and what is the minimum pixel? I'm getting as 4. Okay, so that is nothing but for it is equal to 3, right? So for 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So it is satisfying the condition that no need to split A. So next I'm going to see the region B. Okay, the region B, what is the maximum pixel I'm getting? Again it is 7. What is the minimum pixel? It is 2, right? So it's equal to 5. So again it is greater than 3. Then what I have to do? Again I have to split the region. I have to split it. So in this I'm going to give this as B1, B2, so let this be B3 and B4. Now I'm going to see the section C. So this is for A. Okay, so this is for B, and next I'm going to do for C. So C, what is the maximum pixel? So maximum pixel is 3, what, right? The minimum pixel is what? 0. So that is equal to what? 3. So this is satisfying. So this is satisfying. This is also satisfying. Then we need to split the region. Next to the section D. Section D, what is the maximum pixel? Section D, the maximum I am getting is 6, right? Okay, the minimum I am getting is 0. Okay, so 6 minus 0, it is giving 6, right? It is greater than 3. So again this is also not satisfying. So I have to again split the region. Okay, I have to split the region. So let this be D1, D2, D3, D4. Okay, so I hope you understood how to do the region splitting. So the region splitting, this is how we have to do it with the threshold. So now in this image itself, we'll see how to do the region merging. Okay, I don't want to give as a new image. So in this image itself we can do. So in this region merging also, again I am taking the the threshold as 3 itself. So in this, first, so I am getting how many regions here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Around 10 regions I am having. So now I am going to trying to merge the regions. Okay, so now to merge the regions, first I am checking AB1. Okay, in AB1, So what is, when I'm comparing A and B1, what is the maximum pixel in this? 7, right? Okay, 7. What is the minimum pixel in this? It is coming it as 4. Okay, 7 minus 4, what it is coming? It is 3. So it is A, B1. I'm going to merge. Now I'm going to do what? A, B1, B2. A, B1 and B2. So in this A, B1 and B2, again what is the maximum pixel? So when I'm comparing this A, B1 and B2, what is the maximum pixel? 7. What is the minimum pixel? It is 4. Right? So I can merge A, B1 and B2 also. Okay. Next what I'm doing? A, B1, B4. A, B1, B4. In A, B1, B4, so what is the maximum pixel I'm getting? 7. And what is the minimum pixel I'm getting? 4. Okay, this is also satisfying, right? So I can merge what? 7 minus 4 is what? 3. So this I can merge A, B1, B2, B4. Okay. Next, A, B1, B2, B4, B3. We'll check it. So what is the maximum pixel is 7, right? Minimum pixel is 2. So 7 minus 2 is what? 5. So it is not satisfying. See, we won't be able to merge what? B3. So next what we will do? A, B1, B2, B4 and C. This is also not possible, right? The maximum pixel is coming 7 and the minimum pixel is coming 0. It's also not possible. Next we will see about A, B1, B2, B4 and D1. D1 also not possible, right? Maximum pixel is coming 7, minimum pixel is coming 2. It's not possible. So next possibility is what? A, B1, B2, B4, D2. Okay, so that is A, B1, B2, B4, D2. So in this, what is the maximum pixel? 7 and minimum pixel is 4. This is satisfied. And D3, is it possible? D3 also not possible, right? It's not able to do it. And next final possibility is what? A, B1, B2, B4, D2 and D4. Okay, so in this also D4, the minimum pixel is 4 and the total, the minimum pixel is what? 7. So in this also it is satisfied. So we can tell that A, B1, B2, B4, D2 as one region. Okay, and the remaining thing, that is A, not A is not coming, C, B3, D3, so what are the things remaining? A, B3 and D1. Sorry. A, B3, D1, D3. So this is coming as another region R2. So this is how we are doing what? The splitting. So when you are going to do it, you can like split it and you can draw it. Okay, so with the same pixel you can try it, the splitting you can remove, and we can like divide it into two regions based on the thresholding. Okay, so this is how we are doing the region splitting and merging. So I hope you understood the region segmentation. So the region segmentation we have explained with an example. So we have studied about the region growing, then we studied about the region splitting, and then we studied about the region merging. Thank you.